Spring is almost here, and for us dropshippers, that means a huge opportunity to boost sales with trending products that match current eBay demand. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 9 hot products that you should add to your eBay dropshipping store right now. And each one of them is just backed by solid data, giving you the best shot at riding the spring sales wave. And trust me, you won't stick around to the end because the last product that I'm going to show you is just an absolutely goldmine. It has already sold over 2,000 times. Yes, you heard that right. Over 2,000 sales from one product alone. So I'm super excited to show you all these products. Let's jump right into it and not waste time. All right, let's go. And the first product on our list is sunglasses. They're just great for spring because they provide essential UV protection as the sun becomes stronger. And they also reduce glare, making outdoor activities like hiking, driving, or just relaxing. Their durable design ensures that they can handle active spring adventures. And let's open here the Google Trends. Around March, the demand for sunglasses start to rise dramatically. Look at this, my friends. So why not take advantage of this trend and start selling sunglasses in your eBay dropshipping store? Sounds like a smart move, right? I went ahead and with the help of Zik Analytics, I was able to find this item selling on eBay, this one right here, for $21.90. Again, with help of Zik Analytics, I found the same exact item selling on AliExpress for only $9.73 plus $1.99 for shipping because it's a choice product that costs less than $10. This means that the profit from this product is around $7. Keep in mind that the seller has already sold 160 sales, which means that in total, he has already generated a total profit of around $1,120. We're still before the peak time for this product, which is around mid-April. So now it's time to add this to your store. So next up, we have hanging chair cushion. Hanging chair cushions are just perfect for spring, adding comfort and style to outdoor spaces. They're just ideal for relaxing outdoor areas, balconies, or whatever. Now, I found this product here on eBay, also with help of our friend Zik Analytics, selling for only $50.75 with a total of 31 sales. While I was searching for this product, I found the exact same product from AliExpress, selling for only $19.25 with free shipping. So for each sale, the seller is making around $23.50. So this seller has already made 31 sales on this product alone, which means that he has already generated a total profit of about $750. Next up, we have something really cool, which is this compost bin that I found. I think it's very interesting because compost bin is a great addition for spring gardening, helping turn food scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil. As plants are starting to grow, compost just boosts their health naturally, making it like eco-friendly way to reduce waste and improve your garden. And I was able to find this product on eBay selling for $89.99 with already 76 sales in total. Also with Zik Analytics, I was able to find this product, a similar product. It's an improved version of the product, and from Amazon, selling for $59.42. And as you can see, that this product has some qualities as the one on eBay, but it also includes complementary gloves and a screwdriver. With this added value right here, I can easily outperform the eBay listing using a product like this. If this seller is sourcing this product at the same price, this means that the eBay seller is making around $12 per sale. And in total, since he has 76 sales, he has already made around $912 in profit. And if you're finding these product ideas helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to transform your dropshipping business into a data-driven machine, you can also subscribe to Zik Analytics for only $1 for the first week. And our next product is this cover for pop-up canopy. And it's just ideal for spring gatherings, offering a quick shade and shelter for outdoor events, picnics, or markets. I mean, you name it. It's very easy to set up and makes it perfect for enjoying sunny days while staying cool and protected. Now, doing my research, I discovered that the top covers for pop-up canopies are selling like crazy on eBay. Here's just one example. You can see that this product right here is selling for for $69.98 with a total of 1,555 sales. Again, with help of Zig Analytics, I was able to find the similar product here sourced from Walmart, selling for only $25.99. By selling this product for $69.98, and if the seller is sourcing this product at the same price, it means that the seller is making $34 in profit after eBay fees. And with 1,555 sales, that means it's a total profit of $52,870. You understand that? My goodness. And what I really like about this listing is that eBay seller is using a very smart promotion. Look at this. Save up to 10% when you buy more. It's genius because a product like this is something that buyers are likely to purchase in multiples, making it a great strategy to increase cart value and boost overall sales. Since the last product had to do with camping and so on, while I was looking for the pop-up canopy, I was able to find this shower tent right here, selling for $33.99, and it's also a really good product for those who love to keep themselves clean and with some privacy when they go camping. I actually have a friend that bought one of these and he's loving it. You know, it takes to go camping and even surfing and so on. It's really cool. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a really cool product. After some research, I was able to source this product from Walmart as well. And look at this. Look for how much? $24.99, leaving me with a profit of around $4 per sale if I was to list this product, okay? And you may say, Rogerio, what? $4 per sale doesn't look so good, you know, it doesn't look like much. Well, since this product has already sold 567 times, this eBay seller right here made $2,268. And just to finish with the camping niche, now I'm going to talk about a burning stove. It offers a cozy way to stay warm during cool evenings. Also, you can use as a tool for outdoor cooking during camping trips, picnics, backyard gatherings, and so on. With that being said, I was able to find this one right here on eBay, selling for $28.98 with a total of 1,070 sales. And then again, using my best friend Zig Analytics, I was able to source this product from Walmart for only $18.48 with free shipping. So if this eBay dropshipper is sourcing the product at the same price, that means they're earning around $6 per sale. And with 1,070 sales, totals up to $6,420 in profit. And my friends, this is after eBay fees. Now, with the days getting better, it's normal that we spend more time outside of the house doing activities and everything. And this means that our phones risk to empty the battery faster. And then we have no way to charge it. So that's why the next product is a power bank. And I was able to find this listing on eBay right here, this model selling for $14.79. And right away I jumped into Zig Analytics and I started my research and I came up with this item from AliExpress that has a great buy reviews, which is very important for electronic products like this one. And yes, so this is the exact same product that the eBay seller is selling. The price on AliExpress right now is $5.16 because that's $169 for the product plus $3.47 for shipping. Now, this eBay dropshipper is earning around $7 per sale and has already sold 208 times on eBay. This means that this dropshipper profited $1,456 after eBay fees. So don't go anywhere because the next product is perfect for anyone who loves to do yourself projects, right? Especially during the warmer season. And this is the magnetic strip tape. And you might be wondering, who's really buying this, right? But when the data speaks, we can't argue with it. And I found this product on eBay right here. It's a 15 feet magnetic strip tape selling for $15.83. And this dropshipper has already made 53 sales from it. Again, using Zig Analytics, I scanned this dropshipper and I discovered that they're sourcing this exact product from Amazon. And you won't believe it, the actual sourcing price. Are you ready for it? It's not AliExpress, it's Amazon. And the sourcing price for this product is only $5.99 with free shipping for Prime members. That's a 62% profit margin on this product right here using Amazon. Now, let's break it down. This dropshipper is making $7.50 in profit per sale after eBay fees. And with 53 sales, that means that they already earned almost $400 in profit from this product alone, sourcing from Amazon. We're almost coming to the end of this video, and I really hope that you enjoy this video, these products, and took some notes. Just remember, just take a little second to like the video, all right? Really help us here. Now let's just get back to the video for our last product, all right? And our last product, it's a good one, because with the warmer season arriving, we all love to do some DIY in the garden so we can have a good time there with friends and families and so on. So this is the last product that I want to show you. It's a solar string lights, and I was able to find this one on eBay selling for $14.98. And then again, with the help of Zik Analytics, I found this product on Walmart selling for $10.99, leaving us with a small profit of around $1.50. Okay, why am I so hyped about it? Well, here's the thing. This product may not have the highest profit per sale, but if you check the eBay listing, it has been sold over 2,000 times. When I chose this item to highlight the importance of traffic products, which are the lower margin items that attract consistent sales, boosting your store's visibility and overall success. And because this product has sold 2,320 times, this is an overall profit of $3,480. All right, guys, that wraps up today's video. We've looked at some really fantastic spring products, from outdoor essentials to must-have accessories. Just remember, staying on top of seasonal trends is key to driving traffic and boosting sales in your store. What I mean is that by offering products people are actively searching for, you can maximize your chances of success. So stay motivated, keep testing new ideas, and most importantly, take action. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.